water in a glass. Show the water. Show the level of water. Put the glass down. Yes. Okay. So and take some white paint and mix it in water.
White paint.
Better put it on the glass. बस ज़्यादा नहीं. Yes. And we have to make a milky mixture. Hold the glass with one hand and then mix. Better close the bottle. Okay, put it down. Put the spoon in this glass. Yes. You have to make a milky mixture like this. Okay. So what I will do after that, you have to add this baby oil. Yeah, give it to me. Add baby oil in that glass. Open and add. सारा डाल. Yes. The bottle remain at the bottom of oil and oil will be up. Oil will float and water will be down. ठीक है? Why? Because the density of water is higher than oil. ठीक है? The object having the higher density will sink and the object having the lighter density will float. So the oil is up and the water is down. So now what we have to do? We now add some glitter, little bit, 1 pinch of glitter. हाँ.
बहुत ज़्यादा है मम्मी, ये तो नीचे गिर गया इधर.
डाल दो, सारा डाल दो जितना भी.
इससे बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा.
हाँ. जितना ज़्यादा होगा उतना ज़्यादा ही स्नोफॉल होगा. चलो बस. This is looking like a snowfall.
Yes, yes.
And the experiment name is snowstorm in a jar. Happening?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो अभी. Do observe. ठीक है? And you all will do this experiment at your home. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. इसके लिए क्या क्या चाहिए?
जो भी अभी मैंने तुम्हें दिखाया. ठीक है? जाओ.